Unlock and open the panel until it clears the frame. Suction cup usage is recommended for panel removal. Apply the suction cup to the panel. Lift the panel from the hinges. Place the panel in a safe location so the panel hinge may be worked on. On the back side of the panel hinge, loosen the set screw using a number 3 Allen wrench. Remove the hinge cover by sliding it off. Remove the panel hinge attachment screws. Pella recommends, especially if loosening for the first time, using a number 2 Phillips bit for the smaller screws and a number 3 Phillips bit for the larger screws to avoid screw head strip out. Remove the hinge. Install the panel hinge onto the panel by aligning the hinge studs with the holes in the panel. Install and tighten the panel hinge attachment screws. Install the panel hinge cover by sliding it into position over the hinge attachment screws. Tighten the hinge set screw on the back side of the panel. Remove the frame hinge attachment screws. Remove the frame hinge from the frame. Install the frame hinge onto the frame by aligning the hinge studs with the holes on the frame. Install the frame hinge attachment screws. Reinstall the panel by aligning the panel hinge pins with the frame hinges and set the panel hinge pins in the frame hinges. Remove the suction cup. Close and lock the door.